Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Quran without grammar. Translation of verses of Quran Pak. First verse is وَجَاءَ رَجُلٌ مِّنْ أَقْصَى الْمَدِينَةِ يَسْعَىٰ. And a man came running from the farthest part of the city. Second ayat is وَقَارُونَ وَفِرْعَوْنَ وَهَامَانَ وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُم مُوسَىٰ بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ فَاسْتَكْبَرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ. And Qarun and Fir'aun and Haman, and indeed Moses alayhi salam came to them with clear evidence, so they were arrogant in the land. وَلَمَّا جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ بِالْبُشْرَىٰ قَالُوا إِنَّا مُهْلِكُو أَهْلِ هَٰذِهِ الْقَرْيَةِ إِنَّ أَهْلَهَا كَانُوا ظَالِمِينَ. And when our messengers came to Ibrahim alayhi salam with the good news, they said, indeed we are destroyers of people of the city. Indeed the people of this city are unjust. Verse number 4. فَلَمَّا جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَاتُنَا مُبْصِرَةً قَالُوا هَٰذَا سِحْرٌ مُّبِينٌ. Then when our signs came to them with sight, they said, this is clear magic. وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلُ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا. And say, the truth has come, falsehood has vanished. Indeed, falsehood has vanished. وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَأَخَذَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ. And there came to them a messenger from among themselves, but they denied or rejected him. So the torment seized them, and you were wrongdoers. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Allah Hafiz.